Various types of packaging can be done with using various objects. It could be your Adobe Captivate, it could be your TextMate Camtasia, it could be iSpring solutions, or it could be Articulate Storyline or a Rise Storyline. These are all names of various authoring tools, but they are very heavy. Yes, I am not kidding. They are really expensive.
Sheets.
They are very, very expensive.
Sheets एकदम dry है.
There are some open source and free authoring tools available, like Dirt, we call it XERT, or we have EXT, or we have Force Lab. These kinds of tools are available. But again, the question is, these days we are using various types of devices to access the content. Our user access our content with various. Somebody asked me, do we not do anything on screen? We will be doing it. It's up to you today. I will give an entire class and then show a demo. And by I think as a regular day, somebody asked me this. That's why I'm answering in between. I'm sorry. You have to submit some statement by end of the day. I will be providing a demo, and the people who can do along with me can do
खत्म
along
होने
with
के
me.
बाद आपको असाइनमेंट बनाना है, फिर अपलोड करना है.
Yeah. Moving forward, yeah, I'm talking about the device friendliness. We have to choose a tool where any kind of a tool that is first pocket friendly and moreover
पैसा
that
भेज देंगे,
how user friendly it is, how device friendly it is. These days we have to really give emphasis on how good it is on Android, how good it is on iOS, how good it is on Windows, how good it is on Mac, or how good it is on other Linux systems. So we have to make sure that at least 90 to 99% it should be accessible with any kind of device and with any kind of formatting. Okay, not only that, even with the low bandwidth, it should be able to deliver to our user. That is very, very so that way I feel, and then my favorite tool, and not just mine, many educators' favorite tool in the world is H5P. I've been using this past 7 years, maybe whenever it's launched. I'm a big fan of H5P. I've been doing a lot of research on this, building a lot of content, especially for language and technology people. And it's really working well, and then it really improves users'
lifestyle पे नहीं लगता.
And that really engages learners, that makes active learning possible, then that engages user. All these things can be possible. You know something, there are more than 30 varieties of content types that you can build using H5P. You please go to h5p.org and just explore about this data. But today, we are confining ourselves to H5P into modal. I mean, in modal, but why H5P? Okay, it is device friendly. What are the other features? Why we chose H5P? It is open source. That means not only it is free, its code is also available freely on GitHub. Okay, it's a technological platform. We call it GitHub, where its source code is available. Anybody who has coding knowledge, they have a good engineer of HTML5 and the JavaScript, they can modify the look and feel or the functionalities of H5P. Yes, I'm not joking. It is possible with various software. Similarly, with your LMS model that you are practicing, it's also open source. Strong community help will be there for these kind of open source tools. And not only it is free, and it is with a rich look and feel of it, we can not only create, we can share, we can reuse. Once we create that, we can always modify. That option is possible. And then very effectively, efficient manner, we can build more than 30 varieties of content. And what we need to really build content this and deliver this. How can we create, share, and reuse and modify using H5P? You just need an online browser and a site where you can host your H5P or any kind of a WordPress or a LearnDash or a Moodle platform where it supports H5P plugin. So today we are discussing about Moodle and H5P. How can we add that H5P to our Moodle site? So as I said, there are more than 30 varieties of interactive content that is possible using H5P, but today we are focusing on interactive video. How does it look? If you observe this here, the screen, the video is playing, you observe this, the video is playing, you can see this play area, okay? And suddenly this popped up. A drag and drop kind of a question is popped up. And the user will be restricted unless he answers this, he cannot move forward. Or sometimes you can always allow the user to move forward even not answering. That's up to you how you want to decide what kind of settings you give inside an interactive video interaction. So how can we do this? Not only questions, as I said, you can give some information or you can give some prompts or you can give some text also. It is also possible. So what kind of interactions we can add to a video in H5P using H5P? We can add multiple choice questions or a single answer question, or we can have fill in the blank type or drag and drop. You have just seen that not just drag and drop of images, even drag and drop text is possible, or we can have a mask the word kind of activities. I'll show you some examples of this, and then we can have matching activity can be done, and we can use various tables and images, and we can direct the user to some other web page or other video using links. Okay, so these are all various types can be possible using H5P interactive. What is so special about these interactions? You know, when we add a kind of a quiz questions to a video, we can set the adaptivity. What is adaptive learning? That means this. The user's input, that particular software can guide you to go forward or to go backward and read that particular section again and come back and answer and then move forward. That kind of adaptivity can be set. For example, if the user has given correct answer, we can ask the user to skip some sections and move forward. Or, for example, he has given a wrong answer. Then we can make the user to go through entire video again by giving that particular time code. Similarly, at the end of the video, we can have some interactive summary. Like we can give some summary kind of what we call some sentences of that particular activity or the video, the topic that we are talking about. We can ask him to choose which of these summary tasks are actually explained here. So that kind of thing is also possible. Somebody is using annotation, is it? I am not using it. Okay. And then coming to how do we add this? Anybody, I will try to give you a demo, real-time demo of if any advanced learners are there. You can, while explaining in this PowerPoint, you can keep doing along with me. I will demo it after my PowerPoint lecture. Okay?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah. So you,
madam, are you, excuse me, madam, I just see a photo here. Is something going on the screen or we are just listening to lecture? That is my query. I just don't know.
I answered that, madam.
We are just listening to your lecture right now. Okay?
It's up to you.
No, but I don't see anything on screen. That's what I'm telling. Are you sharing something on screen? Some problem with my phone or something gone wrong? That I want to be assured.
Can anybody answer that?
Ma'am is sharing PowerPoint. I mean,
PPT, ma'am.
PPT is explaining.
Here your PPT is being shared, madam. Maybe madam is having some issue with the phone. She may.
That's what I want to know. I don't see anything here. That's why I'm asking.
Means move on to the other device, madam.
And if you put in chat, we can answer there.
No, madam, I'm just want to know something went wrong with my phone or what. Am I able to see the screen or not? That's what I was trying to ask actually. Okay, that's fine. Now I can see something on screen.
So,
thank you.
So please carry on. Whoever wants to do along with the screens, please carry on. That is, go to your Nomio model site, go to your course, and turn editing on your course page. I hope all of you are aware of all these. I think today and yesterday also you have been introduced to Moodle LMS. And click on add an activity or a resource. And the activity chooser will come. This is we call activity chooser. In activity chooser, under activities, you please select H5P. And then double click on that or click on add button here. These are the 3 steps that you are supposed to do. Going into your course page, click on turn editing on, and then add an activity or resource, click on H5P under activity chooser, click add. And after that, you will be given a choice. Okay, I will demo this, don't worry. If at all any advanced learners are there, please follow. And you chose interactive video. Okay, if there is any updates available, the screen will be like this. Otherwise, you will be given your choose option. You please choose that option. And then you will be taken to this kind of a screen where you click on use, or if you want to see the demo, you can click on content demo. Once you click on use, this is the screen that you will land. You have to give your title here. Here you will be giving title. And then under this, under upload or embed a video, when you click on this particular section here, the plus sign, you will be taken to a window like this. A pop-up window will come where you have to give your video URL. That I think all of you published your video to YouTube, or you can take any OER.